Kung naghahanap ka ng bahay sa Binangonan na may magandang swimming pool, welcome po sa Easton Park dito sa Barangay Makamot, Binangonan, Rizal. I'm Gerald and welcome po sa We Find Home, and sa channel na to, tutulungan namin kayong mahanap ang perfect home na para sa inyo. Easton Park is a residential community located po dito sa Barangay Makamot, Binangonan, Rizal. Meron tayong 4 types of houses to choose from budget-friendly units to spacious duplex home. But for me, ang pinakang highlight is meron siyang amenities like clubhouse and swimming pool na pang-relax para sa buong pamilya. Simulan natin sa pinakamalaking unit, yun ho yung duplex unit. So meron ho itong lot area na 99 square meter and floor area na 140 square meter. And meron pa hong available na corner lot, which is mas malaki syempre yung lot area nito. So meron ho itong 3 bedrooms sa taas, yung master bedroom which is may sariling toilet and bath, and yung dalawang remaining na bedroom, meron silang common toilet and bath. And sa baba naman meron tayong isang maid's room na may sariling toilet and bath, and meron din tayong powder room para sa guest natin. Meron ho itong 2 carports, and yung monthly amortization starts at 49,000. Ideal ho to for large families, OFW, or those looking for an investment-ready home. Next, we have Townhouse A, a practical but stylish unit. So meron tong lot area na 60 square meter and floor area na 102.42 square meter. Meron ho tong 3 bedroom, 2 toilet and bath, and 1 powder room. And meron din tong 2 carports. And yung monthly starts at 30,445 pesos. This is perfect for growing families who want space and convenience. Kung mas compact option yung hanap mo, meron tayong Townhouse B. Meron tong lot area na 50 square meter, floor area na 82 square meter, and so meron tong 3 bedroom, 1 toilet and bath, and 1 carport. And yung monthly niya starts at 23,000. At kung gusto mo ng mas tipid, may option tayo for semi-finished unit. Ito yung walang tiles or partition, and it starts only at 21,751 pesos. And last but not the least, we have Townhouse C. Ito yung pinakang affordable unit natin dito sa Easton Park. So meron tong lot area na 44 square meter, floor area na 62.44 square meter, 2 bedroom, 1 toilet and bath, 1 carport. And yung monthly niya starts at 17,400. Semi-finish only lang ko yung option natin dito. This is ideal for starter families, newlyweds, or first-time homeowners. All units are located within Easton Park, a safe and gated community na may sariling swimming pool and clubhouse. So kung gusto mo ho ng sample computation, site tripping, or reservation, i-message nyo ako sa number ko na nandyan sa taas. Pwede nyo i-message Easton Park or kung anong unit yung gusto nyo. So huwag nyo rin kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. And kung gusto nyo makita yung house tour, i-check nyo yung video na to.